Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit differently than I normally do. Usually it's LOLs and other kinds of toys. Today we are doing a MimikyuEX box. I'm actually super excited about this. I love Pokemon cards, and being able to add these cards to my collection and hopefully get some really good pulls is going to be super amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and enjoy it just as much as I do. Start with the jumbo card of Mimikyu. So there. Super shiny Mimikyu. It's like a giant Pokemon card. Next we have our Greavard. You'll have to excuse the shine. The little ghost dog. And the smaller Mimikyu. We also have a code card. And we have a Fusion Strike, Silver Tempest, another Silver Tempest, and Brilliant Stars. So we'll start with the Fusion Strike. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We've got Metal Energy, Skaters Park, Beware, Elisa's Sparkle, Vulpix, Plusle, Sandygast. That's kind of a cool artwork. That shine is just not helping though. There we go. Stuffle, Sizzlipede. We have Cufant as our reverse, and a regular rare Luxray. Next up, Silver Tempest. If I can open it. This one just does not want to open. There we go. Four to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Darkness Energy, Anorith, Unidentified Fossil, Glalie, that's a cool artwork, Emolga, Vulpix, Dreepy, oh that's a really cool artwork, Rotom, Swirlix, Emolga reverse, and a regular rare Armaldo. Silver Tempest. This pack is also being stubborn, more stubborn than the last. There we go. Four, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Energy, Palisand, Leafy Camel Poncho, Ferrothorn, Litten. Oh, poor Litten looks scared. Vanpee, Phoebus, Dratini, Whalmer with a little Wingull in the corner, Emolga. Any noises you hear in the background is my son. And ooh, a Lugia V. Wow. That is amazing. That is such a cool card. First good pull. And last one, Brilliant Stars. Let's see if we can get at least one more good pull. Four from the back. V-Star card. Pot helmet. That's an interesting choice of a helmet. Luxio. I like the color artwork. Collapse Stadium. Chimcho. Electabuzz. Cherubi, Clefairy, Carablast. Oh wow, Single Strike Style Mustard, and a Holo Boss's Order. Wow, that is so cool. That was like a 2-for-1. Definitely made up for the first 2 packs. That is so cool. So our pulls for today was a Lugia V, the Single Strike Style Mustard. That is so cool. And a Holo Boss's Orders. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, I plan on doing many, many more because I am a huge Pokemon fan. And I'm sure our friend Octoduck here would love to see more Pokemon cards as well. So don't forget to, sorry, I bumped the camera. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and if you would like to see more like this. That is not working. Comment down below your thoughts, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!